Hi all of you, welcome to my 14th video of basic commands. So in this video I am going to show you some more basic commands. Alright, let me start my server by selecting this Red Hat one, and now you have to start instance by clicking on start instance. As you all can see, my instance state is now pending. Alright, and this putty is already I have configured. Just I have to paste here your IP, and after that I think there is nothing to do. Let me see. Yeah, my key is already configured, and my appearance is already configured. Colored, I think it is not. Let me select this white one. Yes, I've selected. Now it's time to paste your IP. Now my Red Hat machine is in pending state. So today's I will be covering this. Alright, more command less and cp-v, pipe, hostname, uname, alright, grep, and how to use multiple commands. Alright, so this video is not gonna be that long. Alright, as you all can see, my server is started. Let me select this and copy IP from here. Now it's time to paste here in your session host name. You have to paste here IP. Now as you all can see, you have to log in as ec2 user. Alright, user. Now I am successfully logged in. Sudo -i to be a root user, as you all know. Now it's time to clear screen by pressing Ctrl+L, or you can write clear as well, clear command. Alright, so first command is more. Let me show you this. There are two files. Let me remove some stuff from here. rm-rf home. Alright, so this is empty directory. Also I want to remove this file 66. Alright, it is not working. Not file 66, it is file 11. Alright, now as you all can see, there is nothing except file 1. So now it's time to show you content of file 1. Alright, file 1. Now as you can see that there is a lot of content in my file 1. If you want to go up, you can't go up. Alright, if you want to go up, you have to scroll up with your mouse, but there is a command for that. If you write here more command, more your file name. Alright, file 1, file name is your file 1. Now you can see that if you press, now you can see that in the left corner. Alright, you can see that there is more -1%. If you press enter, let me show you. If you press enter, now you can see that you are going, your percentage is increasing, as you all can see. Alright, so if you press enter, your percentage will increase, but you can't revert it. Alright, if you want to go to your 15%, or if you want to go back on 10%, you can't go. So it is not you can't revert. Alright, so let me show you. The command is more, you can't revert, but in the less command, let me show you the less command. Let me get out of this by pressing Q. Alright, I am out. Now it's time to write a command, clear, to clear screen. Also you can press Ctrl+L to clear screen. Alright, so let me show you less command. Less file 1. Alright, so you can go below by your arrow key. I think arrow key. Yes, now you can see you can go down by using your downward arrow, and you can go up by using your upward arrow. Alright, so I think this is more beneficial for you. Alright, to go back, now you have to press escape, and now you have to press Ctrl+D. It is not working. Now you have to press, I think, Q. Now you are out of the file. Alright, so two commands are covered. Now it's time to show you cp-v, because this one is your last command. Alright, I will show you after all commands. cp-v, what it does, if you create cp, let me clear screen first. If you write cp file 1, which is your source, and file anything you can write. We write copy file. Now your file is copied and pasted here only, nothing unique. All right, but if you want to, if you want that Linux will also tell me that my file is copied and pasted, so what is command? cp hyphen v in lowercase. All right, now you have to write source file 1. Now you have to write your new file. What name should I give here? File 66 I think is good. Now you can see that your Linux is telling you that file 1 is copied and pasted and the new file name is file 1. Alright, so hyphen v command, hyphen v not command, hyphen v is your option, and that option is used to that option you can say the full name of your option hyphen v is verbose. Verbose means it the command, the Linux will tell you that it has done the task. Alright, so now it's time to move ahead, and now it's time to see this host name, which is your good command. It shows your host name. If you write host name, it is showing you IP 172. As you all can see here, it is showing your IP, a private IP, as you all can see here as well, private IP. Alright, and it is showing your availability zone as well, compute internal, all the stuff related to your host name. Alright, so there is one more command. If you want to change this host name, what is the command for that? Let me see. Host name, set host name. Alright, host name ctl is your command, ctl. Now you have to write here host name, not host name, you have to write set hyphen host name. Now you have to give your new name, what you want to give. Alright, what you want to give to your host name. Alright, I want to give Vasu Linux. Alright, so if I run this command host name again, alright, now you can see that your host name is changed. Alright, it is changed. So now as you all can see that IP is this, your before your previous host name was this, and now is your Vasu Linux. Alright, so you can do this as well. Let's move ahead. So now there is let me show you, this is also your host name. Alright, but when you reboot your, so when you again restart your Linux, reboot your Linux, so it will change. But if you want to change now at the runtime, what is command? Exec execute bash. Now you can see that it is changed to your Vasu Linux, which is pretty much good. So now it's time to move ahead. So now uname hyphen a prints all info related to node. Alright, so let me run this command uname hyphen a. Now you can see that it is printing related to your host, I think related to node. It is related to your node, all the information related to your node. And if you run uname, let me run again, uname hyphen what is the command? Let me see, n. So n is your command for host name, to see the name of your host name. Alright, so I think this is clear to you all, and let me move ahead. If you want to run multiple commands, like if you want to run date, use semicolon. Alright, semicolon. Now pwd present working directory space semicolon. Now if I want to do ls semicolon, you can run as many command as you want. ls hyphen l, now semicolon. I can use host name as well, host name You can use any command using separating it with semicolon. All right, let me write one more command, which is your uname uname hyphen uh, a. All right, let me run this command. Now you can see first is your date. All right, you can see here pwd is your root. All right, pwd ls copy file 66 is your ls list hyphen l, this is your list, as you all can see. Now host name is your Vasu, and your node name is your node information is your this. All right, so you can do this as well. Now let's move ahead. Grep and I will paste all this stuff in your description. There is a link in the description. All right, you can check it out. So now let me show you the grep command. So if you want to find a word, all right, let me show you. Let me do cat etc password. As you all know what is present here. All right, this is this is the area where your system user and your regular users and your root users are present. All right, so now if you want to find a word, like I want to find a word, let me see option first. Only, yeah, I want to find a word Vasu. All right, let me run this command Vasu. Now you have to give the path where you want to find. I want to find in etc in your password. There is no related to Vasu. Let me search something else, like ec2 hyphen user. You can see that it is showing because it is present there in this path. All right, but if you want to not specify the right word, if you want to specify only ec2, let me show you what is the command for that. I think it is hyphen I. Let me see, option is hyphen I. Yeah, option is hyphen I. If you use only ec, let me run this command. If you write here only ec2, it will search this only. Alright, you can see it is searching only ec2. Alright, so hyphen I, you can match the pattern like this. Let me use for some other word, like if I want to search only ROO. Now you can see that it is showing where is ROO is matching. Alright, but if you want to let me show you, if you want to match with your correct name, let me see what is this for. I is for your ROO, I is your for your matching, not whole pattern it will find, but what is for W. Let me see, grep hyphen help. You can use this command if you want to see your options. W, where is W? W is used for force pattern to match only whole word. All right, as you all can see that the W is only used to find the whole word. If I write here W, so you can see it can't find ROO, but if I remove this W from here, you can see that it will find your ROO where is your pattern is matching. Alright, and let me show you the what is, let me scroll up for now, where is V. So let me show you what is hyphen V. Invert match, select non-matching lines. Alright, so let me show you by using I think root is good. Let me first show you the correct path, correct stuff. Alright, what is present there, password Alright, now let me clear screen again. Now let me search your with -v ROOT. So let me tell you that what is inverted match. It means that wherever root is written in that file, it will don't show you. Alright, it will show you the content except root. It will show you the lines except root. Alright, so let me run this command. Now let me show you the previous stuff first. Where is ROO? Yeah, there is your next command, as you all can see. So now you can see there is first line is root. Alright, but if I scroll down here, you can see that from here your I have run command here, and now you can see that your first line is different because it is not showing your root command. This is your inverted match. I hope you all got what I am trying to say, and I will paste this all stuff in the description. There is a document link. There is a link of a document. You can open that and you have access to this stuff. All right, so I think this is for today. I forgot to tell you this command, this pipe, first command, second command, you can write by this as well. If I want to write like this, ls-l, this is your output. All right, but if I want to find like file 1, all right, or you can, if you want to use multiple command, you can write like this as well using pipe. So you can use this pipe, and by giving space you can write your command grep. I want to find file 66. Alright, where is file 66? I want to find in the output of this this command. Alright, so let me run this command. Now you can see that it is showing your, because as you all know the grep command is to find the stuff. Alright, so it is showing here. Alright, so I think now you all know that what are the functions of these commands. Alright, and first you can see the pipe, first command output, second command input. Alright, so I think, yeah, this is enough for today, and I will meet you in my next video.